Question 16 says a gardener takes a half hour to mow and weed a lawn that measures 20 meters by 15 meters. He charges $25 per hour. How much should a gardener receive for a lawn that measures 40 meters by 30 meters? This is an excellent question in that you have three numbers and you have to be able to figure out what exactly am I doing. Well, what we have to assume is, actually we have another thing up here. We have a half hour here and we have this here. So we have to figure out what is the rate that he is using to calculate how fast he mows a lawn. And what we have to understand is it's the area of a lawn. Area of the lawn is going to be the determiner for how long he actually mows. So if a half hour he gets to mow an area of 20 by 15. It takes him 30 minutes to mow an area lawn of this much. Okay, so how much is this? Well, we know that a lawn, if it's a rectangle, like it says, it's 20 meters by 15 meters. Its area is the multiplication of those, and 20 times 15 is actually 300, 200, yeah, 300 square meters. So it takes him 30 minutes, therefore, and I haven't done any real proportions here, to mow 300 square meters. That much we know. But then it says, and it charges $25 per hour. So that would actually, because it was 30 minutes, you'd only have to charge $12.50 for this lawn here. Okay. How much should the gardener receive for a lawn that measures 40 by 30? So here it is, 40 meters by 30 meters. And if we assume that this is a perfectly rectangular lawn with no plants and no, things in the way, it doesn't have to move any pink flamingos or garden gnomes or anything like that. 40 times 30, this has a square area of 1,200 square meters. So what you want to do here is you want to set up a proportion. So we say we're going to do a we'll do time to area. That's what we want to do. We'll try that anyway. Time to area ratio. So 30 minutes does 300 square meters. So therefore, how long will it take him to do 1,200 square meters? And if we look at this, we say, okay, well, I can see quite clearly that 300 times 4 is 1,200. So therefore, it would be 30 minutes times 4, which says 120 minutes. Right? So x is 120, but that's actually minutes. So we don't really want in minutes because we're not really concerned with that. We could say 2 hours instead. So how long would it take him to do this lawn here? It would take him 2 hours to mow this lawn. Ergo, therefore, if he charges $25 per hour and it takes him 2 hours, he should charge $50 to do that lawn. Okay, hope that helps.